Hello guys, it's your boy Mark from Random Talk. As usual, and once more, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will show you how you can easily change Siri voice on your iPhone, and also how you can change Siri language on your iPhone. Before we go into that, I would like to let you know that Siri is capable of speaking up to 20 different languages, and Siri has a lot of varieties of voices. Okay guys, without wasting more of our time, let's go into it. First, to do that, you just have to head onto setting on your device, click on it once. Okay, yeah, setting, you scroll downward. Okay, so you currently, this is Siri on help, so you click on it once. Okay, so yeah, this menu, if you click onto language, okay, you will see all the varieties of languages available as Siri. So there's Arabic, Chinese, like there are a lot of languages. So yeah, you can choose in whatever language you want. Okay, so they are there. Okay, so if you whatever you choose in the language, for example, let's choose English, United States. Okay, so you want to click onto save changes. Okay, so that have been saved. So okay, you go into backward. Okay, so you go into Siri voice. Okay, good. Here you have varieties of countries, yeah, and their voices. Okay, so let's choose one, for example.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Listen to it.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose.
Hi,
I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Okay, let me play this.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Yeah, so yeah, this once you choose your voice, you're just going to accept that all. Okay, so yeah, a lot of other things to on to Siri. Okay, so if you want Siri to say a particular thing, so here is it. Yeah, you can give in information. Anyway guys, so that is it. I wish you the best as you do this on your own. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, for you will get notified each time I upload a new video.